Gikeno kuri family ya Evelina Mugula gitwikite kieha thutha wake gukua na gutiga ciana mugwanja kuria eriga gucakaye kushe ciana ciake igire imwe wa iria eriga gutanahirwo nacio iri 5 mweri muhituku thibitari-ini nene ya Kakamega. Gikuo giake ni gikiritwo mukonde ni murugamiriri munene wa thibitari ya Moi kuria na Mugula athamirio. Ndagitari Wilson Aruasa akiuga mutigaire ni arakoretwo agithii na mbere o wega nginyagia utuku wa gukia umuthi kuria mberirie kuga ni arathinika akihuhia na aremererwo nginyagia akua mathaini ma miaraho thutha wa mandagitari kugeria kuhonokia muoyo wake.
I tried to inquire and she told me that it was my sister was okay up to around 8 a.m. when the kids were fed with what they usually they are usually provided with in the hospital. Then she started complaining of backache and chest problem.
Nilikuwa nampenda lakini Mungu sijui ndiye alimpenda zaidi kuliko sisi.
Kurigana na Ruasa mwimirira marifoti ya hukafere monanitie mutigaire auma na thina wa ngoro na mahori.
And when I was talking to the mother, she told me that they will be released after 1 month because 2 of them were underage. They were delivered on a law required condition, so they were told to remain in the hospital for 1 month.
Hadoine ha Kameme TV Geto Waithira wa Kihara.